question 47. Question 47 is all about setting up print settings in a spreadsheet, in our case Excel. Change the top and bottom margins, center stuff, change the paper size, blah 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 blah. Okay, top one. Top and bottom margins to 2 and center the page vertically and horizontally. Right, as in most cases you go File and Page Setup, and we identify the Margins tab. We want the top margin to be set to 2 and the bottom margin to be set to 2 and to be centered on the page horizontally. Let's tick that one, and vertically. In other words, it'll be aligned top and bottom horizontally and vertically, top and bottom and sideways as well. Okay, we're not going to notice anything here until you print, obviously. Where the hell there we go. Change the page orientation to landscape and set the print setting to fit to one page. Okay, so landscape and fit to one page. Let's go back again under File, Page Setup. Okay, not here. Let's look under Page. There's landscape. Okay, that's fine. And yeah, fit to one page wide by one page tall. Or you could have adjusted to a percentage or whatever. And lo and behold, the paper size is also here, which we could set to A4, which I don't have. So yeah, ach nee man, wat maak jy alweer? Okay, here we are. Okay, but you get the idea where to change the paper size. I'm just going to cancel that. What's the last one we have to do? Set the options to print the grid lines. Okay, so we want the grid lines to appear as well as the row and column headings. Okay, somewhere in there's an option. So we go back to File and Page Setup, and under on the Sheet tab we've got grid lines we can tick. In other words, we want them to appear, and we've got row and column headings, and we want them to appear. So in fact, if we did a print preview, you could see the row and column headings down the sides. You can see in fact how it's centered from the previous question as well. So that's really very, very straightforward marks again. And it doesn't seem to be anything too difficult with Excel so far.